AI tools you can use to manage money, invest, and grow a business. Imagine having a money coach, stock analyst, and business consultant all in your pocket, working 24/7 and costing less than lunch. That's what AI is right now. The people who learn these tools will be the ones who build real wealth in the next decade. Today, I'm breaking down the exact AI tools you can use to manage money smarter, invest with confidence, and grow your business faster. Money management. Let's start with managing your money. Clio and Monarch Money are AI-powered budgeting apps that track your spending and give you real-time financial coaching. YNAB with AI plugins helps you plan every single dollar with predictive suggestions. And if you're serious about keeping your credit strong, tools like Experian Boost with AI Insights help you raise your score by analyzing payments that normally don't count. These apps don't just record transactions, they give smart insights so you know where to cut costs and where to build. Investing. Now let's talk investing. Wealthfront and Betterment use robo-advisors powered by AI to automatically balance your portfolio. Tools like Atom Finance and Koifin break down stock trends with AI-driven analysis, so you can research like the pros. Even apps like Tickeron use AI predictions to spot trading opportunities. The beauty here? You don't need Wall Street connections. The AI crunches numbers 24/7 to help you make better long-term decisions. Business growth. All right, now for entrepreneurs. Running a business is easier when you let AI do the heavy lifting. Jasper and Copy.ai can help you create marketing content that resonates with your audience. QuickBooks, AI, and Zoho. Books help you automate bookkeeping and invoices. Need designs? Canva, combined with AI tools, creates logos, ads, and social posts in seconds. For customer service, ChatGPT chatbots can handle FAQs while you focus on sales. With these, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter, cutting costs, and scaling faster. So here's the play. Use AI to manage your cash, grow your investments, and automate your business. These tools are like having a financial advisor, marketing team, and accountant all rolled into one, at a fraction of the cost. If you found value in this, hit that like button, share it with someone building their wealth, and subscribe for more strategies to power the culture with money and knowledge.